Dubai is the most populous city in the United Arab Emirates and the capital of the Emirate of Dubai. Established in the 18th century as a small fishing village, the city grew rapidly in the early 21st century into a cosmopolitan metropolis with a focus on tourism and hospitality. Dubai is one of the world's most popular tourist destinations with the second most five-star hotels in the world, and the tallest building in the world, the Burj Khalifa. Located in the eastern part of the Arabian Peninsula on the coast of the Persian Gulf, Dubai aims to be the business hub of Western Asia. It is also a major global transport hub for passengers and cargo. Oil revenue helped accelerate the development of the city, which was already a major mercantile hub. A center for regional and international trade since the early 20th century. Dubai's economy relies on revenues from trade, tourism, aviation, real estate, and financial services. Oil production contributed less than 1% of the Emirates' GDP in 2018. According to government data, the population of Dubai is estimated at around 3,400,800 as of the 8th of September 2020. Many theories have been proposed as to origin of the word Dubai. One theory suggests the word used to be the sock in bar. An Arabic proverb says, Daba Dubai, which means to creep, referring to the slow flow of Dubai Creek inland. The poet and scholar Ahmad Muhammad Obaid traces it to the same word, but to its alternative meaning of baby locust, due to the abundance of locusts in the area before settlement. The history of human settlement in the area now defined by the United Arab Emirates is rich and complex, and points to extensive trading links between the civilizations of the Indus Valley and Mesopotamia, but also as far afield as the Levant. Archaeological finds in the Emirate of Dubai, particularly at Al-Ashush, Al-Safu and the notably rich trove from Saruq al-Hadid show settlement through the Ubaid and Hafid periods, the Al-Nar and Wadi Sak periods and the three Iron Ages in the UAE. The area was known to the Sumerians as Magan, and was a source for metallic goods, notably copper and bronze. The area was covered with sand about 5,000 years ago as the coast retreated inland, becoming part of the city's present coastline. Pre-Islamic ceramics have been found from the 3rd and 4th centuries. Prior to the introduction of Islam to the area, the people in this region worshipped Bajir. After the spread of Islam in the region, the Umayyad Caliph of the Eastern Islamic world invaded Southeast Arabia and drove out the Sassanians. Excavations by the Dubai Museum in the region of Al Jumeirah found several artifacts from the Umayyad period. An early mention of Dubai is in 1095 in the Book of Geography by the Andalusian Arab geographer Abu Abdullah al-Bakri. The Venetian pearl merchant Gasparo Balbi visited the area in 1580 and mentioned Dubai for its pearling industry. Dubai is thought to have been established as a fishing village in the early 18th century and was, by 1822, a town of some 700 to 800 members of the Bani Yas tribe and subject to the rule of Sheikh Tanung bin Sheikh Bert of Abu Dhabi. In 1833, following tribal feuding, members of the Albu Falashah tribe seceded from Abu Dhabi and established themselves in Dubai. The exodus from Abu Dhabi was led by Obaid bin Said and Maktoum bin Batti, who became joint leaders of Dubai until Ubaid died in 1836. Leaving Maktoum to establish the Maktoum dynasty, Dubai signed the General Maritime Treaty of 1820 with the British government along with other Trucial states, following the British campaign in 1819 against the Ras Al Khaimah. This led to the 1853 Perpetual Maritime Truce. Dubai also, like its neighbors on the Trucial coast, entered into an exclusivity agreement in which the United Kingdom took responsibility for the Emirates' security in 1892. In 1841, a smallpox epidemic broke out in the Bur Dubai locality, forcing residents to relocate east to Diriyah. In 1896, fire broke out in Dubai, a disastrous occurrence in a town where many family homes were still constructed from Baristi palm fronds. The conflagration consumed half the houses of Bur Dubai, while the district of Diriyah was said to have been totally destroyed. The following year, more fires broke out. A female slave was caught in the act of starting one such blaze and was subsequently put to death. In 1901, Maktoum bin Hashar al-Maktoum established Dubai as a free port with no taxation on imports or exports, and also gave merchants parcels of land and guarantees of protection and tolerance. These policies saw a movement of merchants not only directly from Lingge, but also those who had settled in Ras Al Khaimah and Sharjah to Dubai. An indicator of the growing importance of the port of Dubai can be gained from the movements of the steamer of the Bombay and Persia Steam Navigation Company, which from 1899 to 1901 paid 5 visits annually to Dubai. In 1902 the company's vessels made 21 visits.